You're going to need some pork belly. Looks like bacon, right? Well, that's where bacon comes from. It's going to be good. And you're going to need some Dijon mustard, some maple syrup. You're going to need some dry rub. We're using our Pit Boys dry rub. You're going to need some olive oil, and you're going to need some butter. That's it. All right. What we want to do with this piece of pork belly is we want to crosshatch it, all right? And the easiest way to do that is throw this pork belly in the freezer a bit, get it real cold and chilly, right? It'll make it a lot easier to crosshatch. Now you want to take your old hickory 14-inch butcher or what knife you have, maybe you got a machete, and you're going to make slices into it, not all the way through the belly or the skin itself, right? Just like that, all right? And this is what you're going to end up with, right? Crosshatch. And this is going to do a couple things. It's going to allow us to cook it faster, right? Get all that flavor deep inside. Man. And this is what you got. Looks like my Mickey Thompson Baja tires on my truck. Plenty of grip there. You know what I'm saying, right? All right. The pork belly has been crosshatched. Now, we're going to take some olive oil, in this case, or what oil you have, right? I don't mean you used oil. I'm saying just what cooking oil you have. And you get it right in there. Okay? Now, I guess you know this is going to cook faster, right? Because we've opened it up. And here's the trick. We're going to take a stainless steel bowl and use it as a cradle, so to speak. So we can open it up, and we're going to put our rub in there and use a lot of it. Yeah. Get it in there good. Ooh, are you kidding me? Looks good enough to eat already. Huh. Now, we're going to throw it on the grill at about 250 to 275 degrees Fahrenheit. And it won't take long before we get the next step. All right. Oh man, you can see how quickly that's cooking. Normally a belly would take 4 to 6 hours at 250, but this is not going to take long at all. So we'll pull them off the bowl, separate them, and you can see how tender it is. You barely touch it with a little hit, it comes right apart. Perfect. So this is the bite part, right? It's not bacon. We're making pork belly bites. Take that excess juice, dripped off on that cook, throw it in there, throw some butter. Now here comes the maple syrup, and we'll add it to the mustard, right? And use a good mustard. We'll rub it on each piece, throw it back on the grill to finish it off. We're gonna get it nice and crispy. Take a look at that. It's coming good. You cook it to the way you like it, right? How crisp you want. Baste it again with some more of that maple mustard. Shoo! And in the miracle of time, these maple mustard pork belly bites are done. To get the exact recipe, head on over to our website. Also, subscribe if you can, follow us. We appreciate your support. So the next time you're looking for a recipe for your pit, check out BBQPitBoys.com.